early childhood development program in Nepal, because I said that there is a lot of problem in the school. Children cannot do well in the school because they are not prepared well. So early childhood development prepares the children for school, but that's not the only goal of the program. The goal of the program is the holistic development. It's their social, emotional, intellectual and physical development. So it is the community-based program because it is organized by the community themselves. It's not organized by the government. The government gives only partial support to the families and to the communities.